Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows video editor with the error code 0x8007047 that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, specifically with the Photos app, and it's able to export the contents. The error message show something happened and we couldn't export your video. Please restart the Photos app and try again. And here's the error code in case you need it with error code 0x8007047 kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on search menu and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung photos. And then, dito ay kailangan mo na select dito yung app setting. Ito siya. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then, madadirect tayo dito sa kanyang photos setting. So, ang next step ay kailangan mo na mag-scroll down. And then, dito lang sa reset. So, dito, kailangan lang natin itong i-repair. Okay, so if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. And then, next ay, click mo lang itong repair. And then, wait natin. And if this app still isn't working right, so kapag hindi pa rin naayos or still may error pa rin, so kailangan mo na itong i-reset. Okay, so the app's data will be deleted. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong reset and then pop up itong this will permanently delete the app's data on this device. So including your preferences and sign-in details. Ito mga kaibigan yung kanyang informations bago natin ito i-reset. Okay, so i-click mo lang tong reset and then wait natin. And makikita nyo na dito na complete na po yung repair and reset. So ang next step ay close lang natin tong settings. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang tong restart. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix video editor with error code 0x8007047 in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.